This is so beautiful. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Porsha.Marie here, and we're back with another makeup tutorial. We will be going in with some new things today for me. So first we're going to start with my brows. I know they're already done, but I do have the e.l.f. brow lift, and I have the little applicator spoolie. And I like to go over it after I'm done with my brows, putting them on. And I'll just take a little bit of this and just go up and make sure my eyebrow hairs are laying down. Then you have this little flat side, and you can just push them up. They're a little shiny right now, but it will dry down. We will be going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Okay, while we let that sit, we are going in with the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. I have mine shade 14 Neutral. Let me show y'all the shade. This is the shade 14 Neutral. It is a little dark, but I'd rather go dark than light. So that primer has set in, and we're just going to go straight onto the face. I like to use a flat little brush just to place it. Okay, we are going to blend this in with just a BH Cosmetic 123 brush, flat kabuki. We're just going to pat this in. This can go heavy on it. It's medium to full coverage. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, it's medium. It's medium coverage. It's long wearing. Natural finish. And I have dry skin. It says best for dry, combo, normal skin. But of course, the girls with oily skin can always set this down. That is blended out. Now we're going to go in with our bronzer contour. This is Born This Way Concealer in Cocoa. Then we're going to go in with concealer and Butterscotch. Butterscotch right underneath the eyes. Then we're going to go in with Chai right here for we can have some to blend into. This step is very important for you just won't be blending into the foundation. You'll have a balance. Now while that sits, we're going to go ahead and blend out Cocoa.
This is just a firm brush. We're just going to be blending Cocoa out. This is just right. This color is just right because you just need to add a little bit of warmth to the skin, you know?
Next, we're going to blend out the chin. And the mustache. Going back in with that contour brush, bronzer brush. just going to buff this out. Okay, now we're going up. This foundation is so pretty. I'm going up. I didn't know it was supposed to rain today. Today is Friday. And I didn't know it was supposed to rain. In Atlanta. Okay, we're going back in with this brush and we're just buffing out the edges. Okay, now we're gonna go in angle brush to just blend this out a little. And we're just pushing this concealer into the skin. Foundation brush, blending this out. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Where you won't have no lines between your foundation. Between your bronzer and your concealer. So you just pat, pat, pat with your foundation brush, of course. And we're just going to pat down the nose. Do your nose, you're bringing it back into your eyebrow. Back to your eyebrow. Okay. Now we're going to set the under eye. I'm going in with my e.l.f. sponge, concealer sponge. I have been using a brush lately to set, but this sponge is also good. Because you know, less is more. And this is the Blondie Powder by Huda Beauty. I'm just pushing that powder in. Let's go ahead and set the nose. If you want, you can set down your eyebrows too. That will tone them down. Alright, that's that. I'm just going to take a clean brush and sweep this extra powder away. We're going to go in with our bronzer. I have Cinnabay and Nice Spice. Let's see. I want to do Cinnabay today. It's less red. And Nice Spice has a nice little undertone to it. And we're just adding some warmth to our face. I noticed that when I do a liquid or a cream bronzer on my nose first, my bronzer stays, it looks more snatched. Alright, blush. We're going in with Made by Mitchell liquid blusher in a Shy Boy. And we're just going to put that on our cheeks. You can use your beauty sponge and just go in circular motions. And to top it off, we're going to go in with the Kaja Quad. What shade is this? 03. Mochamallow. Mochamallow. Same thing you do with your bronzer. You add the liquid or the cream. Then you do the same thing with your blush to make it stay longer, because that blush be the first thing to go. So we're going to go in with Fenty Beauty. Shade 400. And we're just going to set the face. This is our e.l.f. complexion brush. And we're just going to set everything else that we didn't set. I'm going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill loose highlighter in Megawatt, just to add a little glow. This is a very pretty highlighter. Let me show y'all. Swatch it right here. That's what we're putting on our face today. I like to go with my nose, my cupid's bow, and my cheeks, of course.
Right here. Just make sure it's blended out.
Going in with what's this? Chestnut by MAC. And we're going to go in with this Sephora gloss in Cream of the Crop Top. See that color? Pink with shimmer. Go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Then we're going to go in with the One Size Setting Spray. We're going to add my nose. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And if you want just flawless looks.